Hi, I'm Andria Martin, and I'm the music specialist here at Ridgeview Elementary School. I received a grant for 25 ukuleles along with a rolling rack, and the ukuleles are to be used with all grade levels at Ridgeview. And the ukulele is particularly special because it's kind of a percussion string and it encourages vocal singing at the same time. So I'm kind of getting a 3-for-1 with these instruments. Kids can come in here and feel success no matter how they learn.
So each dot is a different tune. And the green one. And that's what makes this so we can do different songs.
So music at the elementary level is especially important because kids are on their screens a lot, but when they come to music, so much of it is hands-on and experiential and moving and hearing and using those other elements of your senses that you maybe are not tapping into as much in the classroom. I always feel like the Springfield Education Foundation is there for me, and it's been a wonderful resource, and they're open-minded and they listen to what teachers need, and it's just so nice to know we have that to lean on when times are difficult. I think when I see kids both individually and as a class finally locking in and working together as a group, it lights my fire, and it just makes teaching so much fun to see kids feeling success and doing something new and something that they may carry on and do for the rest of their lives.